Hi, my name is Tori Easterling and I'm your Quantum Leap instructor. So, what's Quantum Leap all about? Let's get into it. Developed by Gary Keller, Quantum Leap gets into the power principles and disciplines that can help anyone achieve a more abundant life. In this profound course, you'll find usable models, practical exercises, as well as make pertinent discoveries to uncover keys to living with purpose and intention. In Quantum Leap, we have three main objectives. The first is to develop your personal roadmap for expanding your life with purpose, direction, and personal power. The second objective is bringing clarity and intention to your actions and choices. And then finally, we're going to wrap up with understanding how to balance learning and working and playing in your life right now. So, who is Quantum Leap for? It's going to be for anyone that wants to transform their lives right now. I hope to see you there. And again, my name is Tori Easterling, instructor with Florida Educational Services. Thanks.